What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. M1 Finance just added this monthly distribution ETF. I had to capitalize on it ASAP. I have a goal to make $1,000 to $3,000 a month in monthly dividends or monthly passive income, and $2,000 to $4,000 a month my quarterly dividends or passive income. This one has some serious firepower. Now I have TSLY, I have NVDY. This one is no brainer. This matches my dividend investing philosophy. I want monthly dividends to buy quarterly dividends in M1 Finance, and I want to get to the point on M1 Finance where I don't have to put any more money in it, and I can allocate my dividends into something else. So I'm creating my own retirement pension. My passive income is rolling right now. If you watch my previous video, I made $1,200 plus in monthly dividends, or if you want to say passive income. So that was a big deal. And this is a big deal as well because M1 Finance added them. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check this ETF out right now. And I had to capitalize it. The Defiance NASDAQ 100 Enhanced Options Income ETF. Now, this is a new one. I'm going to review them. I'm going to go over the expense ratio, and I'm going to explain my rationales as to why I'm buying them. So right now, they're at $17.89. They'll probably drop a little bit more. I won't be surprised, but I have to capitalize on them because M1 Finance added them. That's fine. Their passive income, look, with TSLY, everybody's like, well, you lost money. But guess what? With my passive income I've earned from TSLY, it's pretty much equivalent to what I lost according to M1 Finance. So really, I'm broke even, and I'm going to be at the point where I'm making more money with my investment just based on the passive income. That's what the plan is with this one as well. So I'm going to be a little bit more aggressive with my portfolio, and I'm going to explain to you probably later this week with my investing strategy that I'm going to be a lot more aggressive with some high yielders. So I'm going to explain that to you this weekend. I'm going to try probably Saturday to show you my dividend investing strategy, and I'm tweaking it a little bit. So I have good dividend growth. I have high yielders, and I have my monthly dividends. Again, I need to go after Agree Realty Corporation. It's not time yet. It's time to go after this one. So let's go over them. And what I like about QQQY, it's the first put-right ETF using daily options to seek enhanced income for investors. And this is paid monthly. QQQY aims to achieve consistent and outsized monthly yield distributions for investors, coupled with the equity market exposures to the NASDAQ 100. QQQY is an actively managed exchange-traded fund that seeks enhanced income constructed of treasuries and NASDAQ 100 index options. The strategy's objective is to generate outsized monthly distributions by selling option premium on a daily basis. This fund uses daily options to realize rapid time decay by selling the money puts in ODTE using daily options. Okay? So, the fund's primary investment objective is to seek current income. The fund's secondary investment is to seek exposure to the performance of the NASDAQ 100, subject to a limit on potential investment gains. So, again, the price is going down right now. Your top holdings, you do not see any, okay, you do not see any stocks in there. Okay, so you have to understand that right now because that's very important. People think, oh, it's like, all these stocks are in there. No, it's not. Now I'm going to go over a few more things. First, I'm going to go over their expense ratio. It is high. It's just like TSLY. You have an expense ratio of 0.99%. So there is a high expense ratio. And again, my goal is to use this income from them to buy dividend stocks. And eventually, sure, I'll use that passive income. Okay, but my sole purpose of QQQY and TSLY and NVDY and the future ones that are coming up are to buy dividend stocks, dividend growth stocks specifically. So that's my purpose of buying them. Okay, the one thing I want to go over as well is their distributions. So right here, their distribution is $1.10 and $1. I will be thrilled, to be honest with you, and I'm being very honest, I'd be thrilled if I got 40 cents from them. Because they're $17, they may drop down to 12. Again, I would go over my disclaimer at the end. There's a lot of potential with them. I will take the risk in investing in them. And I will be buying them tomorrow. So the distribution rate in October was $1. Distribution in September was $1.10. Now, is that going to be written in stone? No. There's probably going to be a window. Just like when I went over QYLD, RYLD, and XYLD, QYLD will have that window of 17 cents, maybe 23 cents. 23 cents when the market's better. Usually QYLD is around $22, $23. Will this one beat QQQ? No. Price per share? No. This is strictly for income. So I'm using this to kind of turbocharge or use a little bit of options for me and them doing the work for me because I can't do options trading on M1 Finance. And I'm starting to learn options trading, which I'm starting to get decent at. But I'm just telling you that this is doing the work for me. So, gosh, if I got $1 just from them, $100 a month, I'd be thrilled. I think the goal with them, I'm thinking maybe $200, $300, then go to the next one. And I'll go over the next ones that they have planned or are actually have fully functional right now. Right now they have JEPI, the S&P 500 Enhanced Options ETF, as well as, I mean, look at this distribution rate, 59.21%. Again, kind of same thing. The price is what, 1806? Not bad. Okay. Now I'm going to jump to another one that they have. I'm hoping that M1 Finance adds this one as well. IWMY, the first put-right ETF in the Russell 2000 using daily options to seek enhanced income for investors. So again, you're seeing, again, their expense ratio is all 0.99%. So these guys are new on the block. Again, there's no shares, okay? I mean, there's no actual Russell 2000 in it. This is no shares in stocks that are in the Russell 2000, so you have to be aware of that. But there's just a lot of potential. So I'm going to jump to my M1 Finance dividend portfolio right now. I tricked you. I'll save it for Saturday. So I'm looking forward to showing you the changes on my dividend portfolio Saturday. So I'm going to be at the Ohio State-Michigan State game, so I will have that video saved for Friday night and have it revealed to you for Saturday. Friday, I'm going to have a new high-yield dividend stock that I've been buying for M1 Finance, so that's going to be on Friday. And tomorrow, I'm going to reveal to you a high-yield dividend stock that I just started buying again. I have them in M1 Finance, but I'm starting to buy more shares. So I'm going to explain that to you, and they had a recent dividend hike. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Have a great Dividend Warrior Wednesday, and I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. As a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use this YouTube channel with any form of financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. It is best to seek financial advice from a financial advisor or somebody who gives financial advice. Channels, again, strictly for entertainment purposes only. I have it in my description. So, investing, you can gain money, you can lose money. There's a risk in investing, so just be aware of that. I have lost money in the past. I'm a very aggressive dividend investor. I show you my passive income journey. I show you why I'm so aggressive with buying my dividend stocks, and I provide my rationales as to why I'm buying certain dividend stocks. And actually, by the way, I'm going to be on the phone with investor relations with a REIT. I'm not happy with their transparency, and I'm going to go over that with you in the future. You take care and have a great Wednesday. And remember, not financial advice, entertainment purposes only. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. Take care.